Hi students, MCQ number 31. In the given circuit, the potential difference of 60 volt is applied across AB. The potential difference between points M and N is to be determined. So you can look at the circuit between A and B. A potential difference of 60 volt is applied. There are 4 capacitors. So here you can see that the 3 capacitors having capacitances 2C, C and 2C. These 3 capacitors are in series. Is it not? They are in series. So they will have the same quantity of charge. So the quantity of charge in these 3 capacitors will be same. That is Q coulomb I have taken. Also, the potential difference across the plates of the first capacitor is V1 and the second one is V2 and the third capacitor is V3. Let us take. So that V1 plus V2 plus V3 must be equal to 60 volt. Okay. So I will write V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to 60. Now V1 must be equal to what? Q divided by 2C. So this is Q divided by 2C plus what should be V2 then equal to Q divided by C. So this is Q divided by C plus the third capacitor is also having capacitance 2C. So Q by 2C. Q divided by 2C must be equal to V3 and this is equal to 60. Now we will take LCM. LCM is 2C. So this is Q plus 2Q plus Q. Now divided by 2C. So this is equal to 60. So Q plus 2Q is 4Q. So 4Q divided by 2C is equal to 60. So 2Q by C is equal to 60. Therefore Q by C is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Okay. So the potential difference between the points M and N is V2. Is it not that? Therefore, Vmn is equal to V2. What is the V2 here? V2 is Q by C. So that is equal to Q by C. That is equal to 30 volt is the answer. Okay, very simple numerical problem. So the answer must be what? 30 volt. That is option A is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.